Hi there, this is Ollie from Taunton Leisure, and today we're talking about the F10 Project Hydrogen. The Project Hydrogen is the long-anticipated inflatable solo tent from Vango that many ultralight purists have been waiting for. This tent weighs in with a trail weight of just 680 grams. The main arch of the tent is constructed from a new variant of Vango's AirBeam technology. This can be inflated using a bike pump or with the pump sack built into the bag. Of course, inside the bag, which doubles as a pump sack, we have the main Flysheet. It is connected, it comes connected with the inner polyester tent, as well as the famed AirBeam engineered technology just here, which can be inflated with either the pump sack or the Schrader valve here, which you can use, you can inflate with a bike pump. Moving on, we have this carbon fibre support, which is elasticated and folds down nicely. You put this on at the foot end of your tent, which just provides that little bit of extra room for your feet. We have three very nicely made golden Y pegs, which provide great traction in the ground, and that's what you use to stake down the three main guy ropes of the tent. Following on from here, we have the much talked about ultra lightweight, very minimal titanium pegs. Despite how they look, they are really strong, and these are used to peg down the main peg points of the tent at the foot of the Flysheet. They've got this rubber sort of orange tip there, which helps them be found in grass, and yeah, for how lightweight they are very tough, can take a lot of sort of pressure from the ground. The main fly of the tent is made up of an ultralight Protex 7 denier siliconized nylon. This is a square gridded ripstop pattern which protects the tent from tears. It is dual zipped, meaning you can open the tent a little from the top to optimise ventilation. And the tent's ground sheet is a reasonably tough 10 denier ripstop which rises a little at the sides to prevent any water running in. The tent's inner fabric is made using a highly breathable 7 denier polyester. The tent features two main varieties of pegs. The golden Y-shaped peg, which is used to fasten the tent down at the guy ropes, and the very special titanium needle-like pegs, which are used to fasten the tent down at its four main points. Inside Project Hydrogen, you can of course find Vango's tension band system. This is an A-shaped band system which keeps the tent flexing too much in the wind. With an immensely lightweight and the ultra-reliable AirBeam structure, this innovative tent has already proven to be incredibly popular with ultralight hikers, bike packers and wild campers. If you'd like more information, visit the Taunton Leisure website, pop into store or check out our new help page online. Happy camping!